some important precautions which you can take to avoid fungal infections and to cure fungal infections if you already have it. As we know, fungus prefers moisture, so it is very important that when you are involved in activities where you sweat, make sure that you change your inners as soon as possible. Maybe you can take a shower and then that would be even better. But in case you don't have time to take a shower, please at least change your inners. That is very important, especially when you go to gym or are involved in any sport activity. That becomes very important. The clothing also is very important. Make sure that you wear cotton clothes, cotton inners, especially whether it's hot or humid. Make sure that you don't wear tight clothes, especially people wear jeans or tight trousers. That's not gonna help the cause. When you take a bath, make sure that you gently dab all the area. Don't let moisture remain in the folds. That's very important, especially when you take a bath. Make sure that you make the areas which are prone to fungal infection dry, like thighs, like the toes, the web space between the toes. That's very important. Another important tip that it's better if you use shower gel rather than using soap, which might get contaminated amongst your family members. Never wear same inners. Sometimes people use same towels also, in the siblings, and it is not good. It is not good because fungal infections are contagious. Even the towel, you have to, make sure that the towel is also not wet. You have to clean it daily. Plus sun exposure to the towel. That is again very important. Don't let it be damp. People who have fungal infection in toes, they should avoid wearing shoes in case they are working in corporate sector where they have to wear shoes. They can wear shoes which have some aeration provision there, like the good shoes come which have some holes in it, and so that air can pass through. And whenever you get time, as soon as possible, or maybe in between, if you get time, remove the shoes. Antifungal dusting powders are available in the market. You can put it in the areas, especially during rainy season. That is again very important because it will help in preventing the infection, especially if you have a tendency to catch the infection again and again. Another important and very useful tip is sun exposure. Sun has got real good antifungal, antiseptic, anti-infective properties. Sunlight is magical and it heals almost anything. So sun exposure to the areas which have fungal infection will really help you. I have been doing this for my patients for many years now, and it gives wonderful results, especially in patients who have resistant infections. Bathing is amazing. Try that. Try it. And it is good for your health also. So just a final tip, always consult a dermatologist. Fungal infections are difficult to treat but not impossible. I hope this video gives you a good information. Subscribe our channel if you haven't already subscribed it, and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive all the notifications.